How to use display capture in OBS Studio. In order to use display capture in OBS Studio, you have to follow the steps. So you can record everything that's going on your screen, and the result make professional tutorials, guide, and presentations as well. First of all, you have to download the stable version of OBS Studio from the official website and install the software. Then let the auto configurations wizard optimize the software settings based on the hardware. By default, OBS creates one scene for you to work with the right or anyway. You could see it in the bottom left box called scene. You could then rename it and to create a new one if you like as well. The next step is to add a source for the OBS to know what to capture. So you simply want to click the plus button in the source dock to the right of the sense box and select display capture. You can rename the source if you are planning on recording several displays. Now you could select the display you want to capture and choose whether you want to closer to be visible or the recording. Then the OBS is capturing your device default audio, so then you don't have to worry about the sound. Always change the audio settings or audio device in the OBS settings, or add an audio device as a source to any scene where it is needed. You could either mute the audio in the audio mixer or adjust the volume as well. Last but not the least, you could also adjust your recording settings by going to settings on the bottom right and selecting output tab. We can suggest changing the following options such as recording quality, recording format, and encoder as well. Once you've successfully used display capture in OBS Studio, I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.